Hi traders, my name is Oliver Velez, and I've been trading the financial markets for 38 years now. Wow. I placed my first trade in March of 1981. 1981. Now this is long before traders legally had the ability to place their own trades. This is more than a decade before those laws came into existence. In December of 1986, I began my professional career on Wall Street as a trader. And I would go on over an 8-year period to become one of the most recognized traders in all of the United States. In September of 1994, I decided to leave Wall Street and start my own company, my own firm dedicated to training professional traders. That firm became the largest trainer of professional traders in the industry, in the world, over a 12-year period. In 1999, the professional trading industry would recognize me or choose me to be their keynote spokesperson. So the very first international expo of professional traders, I was chosen to be the representative 2 years in a row for the entire industry. Dow Jones would that same year go on to dub me the Messiah of day trading. Wow, what an honor. I would go on to write 5 international best-selling books on the topic of trading the markets for a living. These 5 books of mine are written in 5 different languages, and they continue to sell very aggressively throughout the entire world. But something happened during these years, something very interesting. A new dream of mine began to formulate, traders, a new dream. And this dream was to bring Wall Street to Main Street, to bring professional style trading to the regular, everyday man and woman, because I believe that trading continues to be one of the only activities left that offers total independence and total financial freedom. The problem is that the vast majority of people do not have the tools, the right training, or the appropriate amount of capital to do this professionally. And so in 2007, I decided to go into a completely different direction. I decided to fund and train all of my traders. So listen to this. You're going to have to learn how to become a trader. Traders are not born. They're actually made, and they're made through proper training, proper education. All traders go through training. I went through training on Wall Street. All traders go through training. I was not allowed to trade for the first 6 months of my career. I had to write down my trades, my entries. I had to write down my exits on a piece of paper and have my head trader check those slips of paper at the end of the day to see how I did. My training went on for 6 months. You need the proper amount of training, but you also need the proper amount of capital. You cannot do this professionally with a small amount of capital. This is what I provide my traders: a lifelong process of training that never stops, training that goes on every single day of their lives. There is no expiration to the training. Training never stops. Education never stops in this business. My traders are trained every single day of their lives, forever, forever. It never stops. In addition to that, my traders never have to ever risk a single penny of their own capital. Did you know that it is a proven fact that traders do better when they're not trading their own capital? Oh yes, traders are more disciplined when the money that they trade is not theirs. They're more exact, they're more careful, they're more true to their process when it's not their capital. Most professional traders do not trade their own capital. Most professional traders are trading firm capital, trading for an organization, trading for a hedge fund, trading for a pension fund, trading for a management team or a management group, a money management group. My traders trade my capital. I take 100% of the risk. They take zero risk. We, of course, share the gains. That's the way the business works. But if they can't make it with my capital, if they lose with my capital, the loss is mine. I take 100% of the responsibility and the liability of the losses. And this is the program that I've gone all over the world to make the dream of bringing Wall Street to Main Street a reality. Today, we are over 10,000 traders strong, many of them in development, many of them working through their process. That's right, but you can be one of them too. Now, this is not an activity for everyone. I realize that. It may not be an activity for you, but what if it is? You'll never know if you don't try. And my organization offers the very best opportunity to at least try your hand at professional trading the right way, under proper guidance, with the right training every single day, with the right amount of capital. Now, if you think this might be something of interest to you, you think that trading the markets professionally could potentially help change your life, then contact my organization, contact any member of my team, and they will walk you through how this works. This activity changed my life in the early 1980s. And for the last 38 years, it's been virtually nothing but an amazing uptrend for me. Wow. The first 6 years, I'd say, were the dark years. But after that first period, wow. I know that I'm not the only individual left. I know that this activity has life-changing capabilities for tens of thousands of people around the world. That is the dream that I continue to work on every single day, bringing professional style Wall Street trading to you. So join me on this journey. Let's do it together. Let's do it the right way. Let's do it the professional way. All right? All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Ciao for now. Boom.